Good afternoon, and it's a Sunday afternoon, and it's still a Sunday afternoon, and I'm still doing my brakes. I've just done the rear. Check out the video if you want, and I'm just starting the front. Uh, 8mm, 8mm, 8mm. I've never done them before, never done Honda brakes at all, and this is a joint braking system, a combined ABS system, should I say, I've said it now. So it looks as though oh, a little bit low, not as low as I thought they were going to be. Right, so they hook in. Let's get the neat ones out. As a pictorial representation. So that lump there hooks up at the front, and then it's all spring loaded and comes back, and then the pin holds it in through there. Is what it looks like. So let's get those out. Oh good, the pistons don't look anywhere near as bad as the rears. The rears were quite rusty, and I've cleaned them up as best I can, but I don't know whether I've scratched it too much or something, and it's going to do the seals. Yeah, the pin is rusted to the pads. Sort of reaffirming that I do believe this bike has been left outside most of its life. There's still threads to go. No. So the pads are rusted to the pin. Which ain't making it easy to get them out. It's not the pads holding them in anymore. There's anything like the back, no, the seal's out. There's a little rubber seal there, obviously to try and stop the water getting in there and seizing it. Why don't you want to come out? All it can be is the thickness of the rust here is stopping this pin coming out. Yeah. Maybe it was a barn find. Oh, there we go. Because like the back ones, these are crusty as, and it's only one anti-vibration plate on there, unless it's stuck in there. No. Yeah. But again, pretty much worn out. Well, I'm sure EBC says there you go. Inspect brake pads regularly and replace when 2 mm of friction material remains on the backing plate. So I would say we're pretty much there. Yeah, it's probably spot on 2 mm. Yep. But very scummy. So which one was that? That was the inside one. But yes, I think I'll give that a thin coat of copper slip. Try and stop that happening again. Yes, anyway, that's it apart. Now the cleanup. As I say, these pistons don't look as bad as the back. He says, but now looking at them closer, it's like, oh no, they look just as shit. Anyway, I'll give that a squirt and the toothbrush job, and I don't think I want to go at it with a Scotch-Brite, not being the front brake, but I'll see how good that comes up, and I'll bring you back. Okie doke, that's as clean as that's getting in there, he says. Okay, that's as clean as that's getting. The pistons are nowhere near perfect. I don't really know which way this clip goes. Let's go that way. Yeah, again, they've got tabs of rust and stuff on. I've pushed them right back, but I'm possibly envisaging some weepage there. What's happening here? Stay where you put. Right, just want to keep pinging out. That's the wrong way. Right, that's the pin hole. Just push them back. Yeah, so the pistons aren't in very good condition at all, to be honest. So yes, I am envisaging some yes, as I say, the pistons, I cleaned them up best I could. Got most of the shit off, but you have to push them so far back to get the new pads in, the ridges and that are on the pistons. Might pull the seals out. So yes, I'll deal with that if and when it happens. As I say, they are scummy. And for the moment, they'll be staying like it. It is the outermost edge that's got a crust on it, but he says, so I might get away with it, I might not. I don't think I will. I'm sure they're not going to just explode and leave me with no brakes at all, which would be horrendous. Right, tight enough, tight enough. That's about it, isn't it? Yes. So yes, I don't think they're going to fail that much that they're going to leave me without brakes completely, but they are horrendous. So I'm envisaging either next time doing a complete rebuild on it, or getting away with it. That's the only two options: complete rebuild or getting away with it. It's scummy. It is scummy. I mean, you can see possibly, but that really is rusty as anything. Definitely being left outside, or it's been ridden in all weathers and not had the brakes stripped down to clean them up periodically, which I tend to do. Probably not as much as I should, but I do tend to do, especially the fronts through the winter, because of the build up of the salt and the shit and the shit and the salt and the salty shit. But yes, Anyway, that is done, apart from pumping the brake lever up, getting some brakes. Feels good. So yes, I'll keep an eye on that, but that is me and how I swap the brake pads on a 3-pot Nissan front caliper, the only one, because there's only one and only one disc on the NC700x. But yes, complete new brake pads all round on my Honda. If you see me again, it was a success. If you don't, I did lose all my brakes and it was a fail. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you again. Ta-ra.